Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make cashew and raisin pulao. This cashew and raisin pulao is a delicious rice dish with cashews and raisins. If you're looking for a delicious pulao, this is the one you want. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need to make this cashew and raisin pulao will be 1 cup of basmati rice. I have cleaned the rice and soaked it in the water for 30 minutes. 1 onion finely sliced, 1 handful cashews, 1 handful of raisins, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 cardamom pod, 3 to 4 cloves, and 1 small stick cinnamon. And we also need a couple strands of saffron. Now let's see how to make this delicious and easy cashew raisin pulao. So in your Instant Pot, push the saute button, add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. When it's hot enough, add in the cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon stick. Now add in the onions. Now add cashews and saute it until it turns brown. Now add raisins and saute it until it turns plump. After the raisins have turned plump, add in some salt and sugar. Now add in the rice and add 1.5 cups of water. Mix it really well. And finally, sprinkle some saffron on top. Now close the Instant Pot with a lid. And make sure the pressure valve is on sealing. Now in your Instant Pot settings, press cancel and then push the manual button and let the rice cook for 10 minutes. So now it's been nearly 20 minutes and the pressure has released naturally. Now let's open to see how our rice has cooked. So now here it is. The rice has cooked so beautifully. And here you can see the raisins and cashews have cooked so beautifully along with the rice, giving a sweet and an aromatic flavor. Now let's put this pulao in a separate bowl. And that's it. Delicious and easy cashew and raisin pulao is ready to be served. Thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.